Hi, today I will show you how to buy Procreate brushes and how to install them. I use two websites, Creative Market and ETSY. First, search for Procreate brushes. There is not just Procreate. There are Photoshop and designer brushes. You have to be careful. Check before you buy. Okay, and this is my favorite watercolor brushes. I always want to buy the commercial ones. This one is $17 and $14 for personal use. I love this is because they have video tutorials. The texture is beautiful too. Okay, and don't forget to check the product. What will they give to you? And okay, that is the link to watch the tutorial. And and read the reviews. They got very nice reviews. Okay, next I will search for Procreate brushes. I bought these brushes from the site. I recommend. It's very beautiful and it's very useful. It's $18 for commercial. And next we will go to ETSY. I bought these brushes from ETSY because it is cheaper and it's commercial. And next, how to install brushes. After you purchase, you will see this screen. Click at the download icon. This is Creative Market. Normally, it will ask you where you want to keep the files. I keep them in my iCloud drive. Okay, and go to Procreate app. We are going to install. Open brush library, then click plus, then click import. It's in the iCloud drive. You can see the Procreate brushes files. Click it, then it will import to your library. Successful. All the brushes are there. Yeah. Thank you.